Centeno, Mark Ezekiel Gambito, and fourth referee is Mary Grace Vicente. And, what's really glaring dito sa lineup, at least sa first five nitong Caloocan, Coach Vic, ang lalaki.
Oo. Ano talaga eh. Look at that first play. It's a high-low play right away.
It's Casin playing the two spot. Jammer Amito will score inside plus a foul. JP Kawilan to Galanza. They skip it to JL De Los Santos, who hits that long two-point shot.
Good ball movement by the boy.
Oh. Napunta ka na bang Ilagan, Coach?
Hindi pa eh. Hindi pa
Kailangan
eh.
makapunta ka doon.
Oh, minsan sasama ako kay Coach Glenn.
Yeah. Layup from Romel Calahat.
Halos hawig sila ni nung isang big man ng ng Isabela.
Sige, mamaya. Si Romel Calahat hitting a free. LG.
Sa Zamboanga nawala tuloy sa pag iniisip mo nawawala ka lalo na sa ganito kagandang ball game.
Si Otep.
Si Otep, oo, si Otep.
Gabayni.
Gabayni.
Tama.
Oh, pareho sila eh.
Miguel Ona gets that one to go. Ilagas sa last season. Bumaru started with Pampanga. Then Allen Mina with this team.
Yeah, with this team. Tapos nagpalit sila. Now together.
Yeah, nagkasama. De Los Santos to give them the lead. No good. Allen Mina gets the offensive board. De La Cruz off the bounce, off the glass. It's in, plus a foul.
Very good spin move there by Art De La Cruz. Veteran move eh. Nakita niya eh. Kinagat yung fake niya sa Pagpasok yung pihit ni Art. Napakaganda.
Sumoda, masyadong masikip. Gets it up anyway and puts it in. Mga nagsabing preseason lang to, ha? 3 seconds left, pumihit. And Allen Mina turns around and hits the jumper just before the buzzer. Finally making his entry here for Caloocan. Now he drives, getting past JL De Los Santos to lay it up and in.
Favorite move.
Gabayni. Mina freeing himself up for a free, and this is the first lead of the ball game para sa Ilagan Isabela. Bit too flat. Rebound Geno Razon. Whips it to Dom Escobar. He tries a free as well. It's good.
Sasabihin ko pa naman, etong may 3 points. And he made that basket.
Ends up with Jammer Amito. Razon. No-look pass. Hamito malalim. Nasa lupa rin. Gets it in with a reverse.
Medyo nawala doon yung depensa ng Isabela.
Foley got fouled. No whistle. Counter attack by the Cowboys. Gabayni through contact finishes and cuts the lead down to 2. Santos. De La Cruz to bail them out for free. He hits it.
Pinch post action by Ilagan Isabela.
Oh, Baclaan putting on the Jets. Lays it up and in.
Grabe.
Medyo nakaka-adjust na si Kian.
Oo. Back to back.
Loves that right wing 3-point shot. Ito si Art De La Cruz.
Wala pa rin yung 3-point conversion ni Kian.
Galanza puts it in, and a bonus free throw coming up after getting fouled. Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. What a cut backdoor. One of the best passers from that spot. De La Cruz setting up De Los Santos. Baclaan, full head of steam. Fails to finish, however. Here come the Cowboys. Galanza puts it in, plus a foul.
Good pass there.
Outside they go. Jaggy Laude, corner pocket 3 will not work. Kawilan to De Los Santos. JL all the way for 2.
Sasagasaan ka ni JL pag hindi ka tope.
55-28. Baclaan tries baseline, fading away. Picture perfect jumper from Kian Baclaan.
Right.
64 seconds left in the second quarter. Tayong Tong getting a step, lays it up and in.
Tayong Tong taking advantage of that switch of
Tumaru lines it up. Hiab grabs the offensive board, but they turn the ball over again. Barkuma dumps it at the last second to Joko Tayong Tong.
good pass there by Marcuma.
Asin, catch and shoot free, no good. Ball saved by Palencia to Barcuma to a cutting Matias. Outside, Escobar for three, good.
Diretsong-diretso, kitang-kita dito. That's it.
Matias up top. Escobar getting his groove. He attacks the paint and he scores over Art De La Cruz.
Starting to
The Vim is Prince Casin. Now it's Ronnie Matias. Mina fading away. Gets it to go. Tough shot from Allen Mina.
7 points for Allen Mina.
Goal for Ilagan Isabela in this quarter. Palencia. Fadeaway jumper off the post against Don Tumaru.
Favorite shot by Irvin Palencia.
De La Cruz sa loob. And Ilagan Isabela just persisting inside.
Lead by the Caloocan Batang Kangkalu.
Kanina, Coach Vic, it was Caloocan who was trying to put pressure inside. Pero ngayon yung inside against Ilagan Isabela. Ronnie Matias.
Veteran move by Ronnie Matias.
Off that get action. Libre sa tres. Can't get that one to fall.
That time, yeah, Isabela was playing zone defense already.
Bola na agaw ni Escobar. Pitching it ahead. Palencia. Easy pickings on the other side. Escobar finally gets the rebound. Prince Casin. Escobar. No hesitation. Knocks down a free.
Diretsong-diretso ulit. Alam mo yung angle dito?
Telling you, Dom Escobar, he has found a groove. 15 points. De Los Santos with an offensive rebound and putback. Caloocan outscoring Ilagan Isabela by 10 points. Prince Casin knocks down another free.
And right now, Batang Caloocan
Jello Razon pitching it ahead. Prince Casin will put it in and give Caloocan its first double-digit lead. They come away with a steal. Pagdating sa half-court, nagugulo na tong Ilagan eh. But that time around, they come away with a steal, making us look like fools.
A veteran move there.
Really doing wonders. Barcuma and Palencia. And then you have Jello Razon coming in off the bench, laying it up and in, and lamang ulit ang Caloocan lang.
Offensively, he sees the improvement, pero defensively, sabi niya malayo pa. In his words as a defensive coach, I want more and I will demand more. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Andrea. And Coach Louie probably a bit unhappy with how Ilagan has started out this third. But ito si JP Kawilan make all tap. Turnover again against the Cowboys. Bitoon. Last second drop. Papunta kay JJ Manlangit.
It's the defense of the Caloocan Batang. Started the first half. They were experimenting on some guys. Pero ito, sabi nga niya, what's important is W. Wag muna raw yung experiment. Labas muna natin.
In front of him, Josh Giap. Stepping back for three. Off the heel. Paul Sanga comes away with it. Inside they go to a free Jesse Sumoda.
Hindi nagkaintindihan dun si Gabayni at si JP Kawilan. Were converted. Halos lahat na-convert nila.
And now, they fail to stop Jello Razon in transition. L to Otep. Floater no. Gabayni gets it back. In front of him, Sumoda gets the back shot to go.
While Caloocan is making those shots, Ilagan nga dito. Nahihirapan nga makascore dito ang Ilagan sa binibigay na depensa ng Caloocan.
Paul Sanga. Sumoda rolls in. Kanina pa si Jesse Sumoda nakakatanggap ng mga pasa. walang tumutulong nga, like to your point. And dito sa transition din, nobody stopping the ball and the cutter. JJ Manlangit off that pass from Kian Baclaan. And the side pick and roll with Sumoda. Baclaan gets into the teeth of the defense, getting it over Miguel Ona.
Grabe yung tinit.
79-55. Miguel Ona answers back with a free. But a lot. Rebound again. JJ Manlangit. Manlangit. Count it. Plus a foul.
They're just attacking the defense of the Ilagan.
It's a halfway point of the fourth. Kian getting to his spot. Knocks down the mid-range J.
Kanina was yung 11-point din. Nagulat ako. Hindi pa.
Up top by Jake Gaspay. Razon forcing his way in. And he scores. And basket from Coco Pingoy. Sanga lines it up. Can't connect on the free. Felebrigo pitching it ahead. JP Kawilan will lay it in. Extreme ang subok at kompletong compliance brand ng
And hindi lang yun. May mga darating pa raw na player dito. Hindi ko lang sigurado pero yun yung balita. May mga players pa silang kinuha.
mga tumalo sa kanila. But credit Caloocan for getting this win